When you move into a new home, the last thing you're going to be thinking about is fire safety.
But it's something we should all be aware of. Knowing just a little bit about fire prevention and what to do in the event of a fire could potentially save your life.
The first thing you need to do is to familiarise yourself with the fire exits. There'll be signs throughout the building directing you to your nearest exit.
If you feel like you may need extra assistance in the event of an evacuation, just speak to a member of our team and they'll be able to sort out a personal plan just for you.
If you see signs of a fire, activate one of the alarm points to let everyone else know. Then follow the signs to your nearest exit point. Do not stop to collect any personal belongings or to wait for anyone else. All the doors in the property are fire resistant, so make sure to shut them behind you as this will prevent the fire from spreading.
Always take the stairs, don't use the lifts. And once you've made your way outside the building, head straight towards the fire assembly point. You can find out where the fire assembly point is by looking at the fire action notice next to the exits or on the back of your doors.
Do not re-enter the building for any reason unless told that it is safe to do so by staff or the emergency services. Once you're outside, call 999. The best way to avoid a fire is to prevent one from happening in the first place.
Most fires tend to start in the kitchen, which is why it's very important not to leave cooking unattended.
You should remove anything flammable, such as packaging or towels, from the cooking area.
And when you're cooking, always make sure the extractor hood is turned on. Make sure you keep your toasters, hobs, and grill pans clean, as crumbs and grease can ignite easily.
Deep fat fryers and chip pans are not permitted in sanctuary buildings.
You must make sure that any appliances with an international plug have the correct UK adapter fitted in before using it. If you're unsure, just speak to a member of staff.
You should also have a fire blanket in your kitchen with instructions on how to use it. Only use it if you feel confident to do so. If you don't have one, just let a member of staff know.
Small or personal heaters are not allowed. You will find heaters in your room and in the kitchen, and they should provide you with all the heat you need. Keep these free and clear at all times. Don't cover them with things like towels or wet clothing. Not only is this a fire risk, but it can actually reduce the effectiveness of your heaters.
Make sure to keep corridors clear from shoes, rubbish, bikes, or anything that could be an obstruction.
The doors are fire resistant, but they only work if you keep them closed. So don't prop them open.
Smoke detectors are there for everyone's safety. Removing or tampering with one could land you with a fine. Never tamper with them.
While it's tempting to plug lots of different appliances into extensions, don't do it. Plug sockets can become overloaded with too many extensions and plugs. Stick to one plug per socket.
Candles, smoking and vaping are not permitted anywhere inside the building. If you need to smoke, your property will have a designated smoking area for you to use.
When you shower, make sure the bathroom door is fully closed, as excess steam can set off the fire alarm. The last thing you want is to cause an evacuation during a shower.
Finally, if you see any damages or missing equipment, please let a member of our team know immediately.
So remember, the following things are banned in your accommodation: candles, deep fat fryers or chip pans, personal heaters, smoking or vaping. Remember to move flammable items away from cooking areas, and make sure to familiarize yourself nearest fire exit.
Living with Sanctuary is very safe, and we have an excellent fire safety record because we all work together to prevent fires from happening.
Everyone here at Sanctuary, including residents and staff, all have a part to play in fire safety. So, make sure you're aware of your fire hazards and do your bit to keep you and everyone around you safe.